We are pleased to show you the 2020 Santa Fe. Style, quality, performance, value. Need we say more? This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, wheel locks, power lift gate, remote keyless entry, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, fog lights, speed control. Come see the car for yourself.